How to build the About Us page with Elementor. Log into the admin. Click on Site Manager. Find the About Us page and click Edit. Now let's redesign our page. Click on the text to change it. You can also use the sidebar panel. Now let's change the image. Now let's delete this block and add a new one. Now let's change the order of our block. All blocks are pre-designed. You can hide some parts of the design in the Options panel, otherwise simply select a different design. Now let's look at blocks with multiple images. And finally, let's look at icon blocks. Now you can build your own About Us page. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. Thank you.